Do you want to learn how to create Studio Ghibli-style talking AI avatar? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So currently, I'm on ChatGPT and I put my picture here and I asked it with this prompt to turn it into a Studio Ghibli-style animated portrait. So you can copy this prompt from here and it's going to make something like this, which looks really nice. And you can also do this on Grok because on ChatGPT, it kind of limits you after a while. So you can do this on Grok as well. You just give it your picture and put the same prompt here and it makes something like this, which also looks nice. Now I'm going to go over to revid.ai. On here, you can create talking AI avatars like these, but the main thing about this is that you can have these stock footage or AI videos on top as well. So you can create like Instagram shorts like this. And they also have a lot of these other options as well. So you can create a cartoon video, video podcast, short video, article to video, and a lot more. We're going to go down. We have customization options. So you can add B-roll to it. So you can add stock videos, moving AI images, AI video, your own media, and static gameplay. So we're just going to add the static gameplay here of Minecraft. You can select voice from here. So I think these are 11 lab voices and take a listen to it.
And the belief in a thing makes it happen.
So they are really good and you can create your own clone as well. Or if you have got a voice on 11 labs, you can also add them here. Now, if I click on this clone voice, I can clone it. So you can do a voice generation as well with a sample text and a voice description, or you can clone your voice. But with these, I think an elite plan is required. So you need to upgrade your plan to at least the growth plan, which has this voice generation capability in it. So we're just going to take this Brian, or you can also record your voice. So this is not clone, this is just a simple recording of your voice. So this is the teleprompter on the right hand side. You can take a look at it and then you can record it from here. And then you can record it from here. You just need to take this up and you'll find the start recording button on here. And then it's going to upload it to this record section. Then you can use it inside your video. You can also go for no voice if you don't want any voice in it. Then you can also select an audio or generate your own music, which can be done here. You just need to give a specific instruction. So we're just going to use their audio library. All right, this one, we're going to take this. And for advanced options, you can select your aspect ratio, which is going to keep it 9:16 to make it a short, but you can also go for 16:9 if you want to make it a long form video. There's also specify how many media to generate. This is for that stock footage if you want to generate these. So how many media to generate for it? You can go for few, medium, or more. Let's just keep it few. And image animation type, let's make it dynamic. Add stickers, you can add stickers to it. Let's enable it to test it out. There's also disable captions, but we're going to keep the captions on. And these are some of the caption templates that they have. So you can go for Ali Abdul style template or Hermosi style or all these other ones. We're just going to choose the Ali Abdul style. Alignment at the bottom. Voice stability, we're going to go for balanced. Voice speed, let's make it 1.05. Language, you can select a language from here. Let's just keep it English for this one. You can also optimize for Chinese, and there's enable sensitivity filter, generate cover like this. You can generate and cover like this. If you want to upload this to your Instagram reel and you want to have a cover on it. So it's like a thumbnail picture for your reel. You can do that. Let's click on this to generate one to test it out. And you can also add a watermark to the video. We're going to leave it as is. And let's click on generate video. Let me take a look at if I did select this. Okay. And this is that. Okay. Let's click on generate video. We're going to just click on Google, get started. So our video is now generated and it's ready. So let's take a look at it. This is the one. I'm going to go inside it. So let's take a look at it. I'm going to play it.
Massive mountains of fire can literally reshape entire continents. These explosive forces of nature form when molten rock bursts through Earth's crust. Magma rises from deep underground chambers, building pressure until it explodes upward. As lava cools, it creates cone-shaped peaks layer by layer. Active volcanoes continue growing while releasing steam, ash, and rivers of molten rock. These geological giants have created islands, changed climates, and transformed landscapes for millions of years.
So this is how you can create a full talking AI avatar with stock videos and everything. Revid.ai, and I'm going to put the link in the description so you can check it out from there. And if you buy any of the paid plans on this website, it's going to help me out with a small commission. So on the right hand side, you have all this in Revid. If you want the full tutorial on it, I'm going to make a video, a full tutorial on revid.ai. You can add audio, change audio from here, music, sound effects, text, background slides, your slides, colors of it, the settings, etc. Now, the second way of doing this would be using Hedra AI Talking AI Avatar tool. And if you go to it, just click on this video button, and we're going to take this image that we created from ChatGPT, this Ghibli style picture. I'm going to download it from here by clicking on this button. And now once it's downloaded, go over to Hedra, and over here on the bottom, you can put in your prompt. Just say something like speaking and blinking, something like that. And over on the right hand side, you need to enter the image frame and the audio script. So in image frame, I'm going to upload that image like this. And in the audio script, I can upload an audio that I've already recorded, or I can record the audio in real time, or I can generate the speech in which they already have these different voices. So they have these text to speech voices. Now, I'm not sure if they are from 11 Labs or what, but they do sound good. Take a look.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
All right, I've made 3 of my voice clones, and yes, you can create your own voice clones inside it. Now, I don't think that it really exactly clones your voice. It's like 50% or something. So what you do is you need to record your voice, or you can upload your audio here. If you already have some audio files where you have been speaking, you can just upload it here, or you can record your voice. So you need to speak this whole thing. And I've tried it multiple times to record it. So I made these 3 voices, and they all sound similar. This one was a 15-second record, this one was 30, and this one was 45. And all of them sound similar. There was no difference. So I can show you this test longer. So here I've typed in this whole text, and I'm going to click on generate audio. Hey, how is it going? We are using Hedra AI. Like that, we got our generated audio, and you can delete it from here if you do not like it. And you can also download it to your computer, or you can add it to video. So if I click on this button, it's going to add it over here. And if you do not want to use it, just click on this minus button, type in something else, and then generate it, then add to video. So I already have made 2 of them. So I'm going to show you. This is the first one. And the audio text was, hey, how it's going. So let's take a look at it. You can also reuse the template, download it to your computer, this whole MP4 file, or you can delete it from here. Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? And you can see that it kind of animates the whole body with the mouth and everything. So this one was really nice. There's another one that I did. This one I said speaking and blinking. And for the audio text, it was, hey, this is my cloned voice that is animated with Hedra AI. So here, take a look at it. Hey, this is my cloned voice that is animated with Hedra AI. All right. And you can see that it looks much better than this first one. It has more emotions on his face. It looks much nicer compared to this one. Now you can download it to your computer, and you can use CapCut, edit it together with different clips to make a short or long form video, whatever you like. So yeah, these are the 2 ways of creating the Ghibli style animated portrait. So this was ChatGPT, this is the best one. And then this is Grok. This was really nice as well. The thing about Grok is that there's no limit to how many image that you can generate, if I'm not wrong. And in ChatGPT, it kind of limits you after a while. And to be exact, it's like 3 or 4 images, and then it's going to limit you for the day or maybe some time limit. But in Grok, it doesn't limit you. And then to make a video, to make a short video, a talking AI avatar video, we can use either of these. This is Revid or Hedra AI. So I'm going to paste the link in the description of both Revid and Hedra, so you can check it out from there. So that's how to create a Studio Ghibli style animated talking AI avatar. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment. Also on the right hand side, you can check out my other AI tutorials and software tutorials as well. So see you there.